malaman, syempre nasa mga preparations na kayo
Yes.
How is it working with Francis Libiran, who's going to do your gown?
My gown. Francis is very easy to work with. Very easy to talk to. He doesn't make you feel uncomfortable if you want to adjust this, if you want... Well, bottom line, susundin niya talaga kung ano gusto mo.
Yung gown na dinisign ko for Pauline is very classic kasi yun yung parang vision niya for her wedding gown eh. So ako, tinranslate ko lang into my design. Kaya it made my job more easier. Si Pauline kasi is a very, she knows what she likes. Yun yung maganda kay Pauline. Mag-suggest ka man, pero we go back again to the original. For a bride, very smooth sailing pag kausap mo. Because may vision na siya eh. May direction na yung gusto niya eh. She knows her body type, she knows what to cover. Alam niya rin kung anong i-highlight. First fitting, of course, yan yung hinahanap namin yung shape niya. So talagang inaano namin yun. Tinitingnan namin kung saan ilalagay yung skirt, kung saan siya magpo-fall, sa second hips ba, sa waistline itself. So talagang hinahanapan namin o pinag-aaralan namin maigi kung saan siya magpo-fall under where the waistline looks very small. And at the same time, nagjo-jetta rin si Pauline. Kaya talagang every time na mag-fit siya, she's very excited. Kasi nakikita niya yung progress ng hirap niya eh. Second, all perfect. It's a perfect fit for her. And then, yung mga ni-request niya lang na sabi niya, Francis, I want it to be, tanggalin mo lang yung konting details that will make it look bulky. So, nagbawas kami ng konting details just for it to make it very thin, yung details. Alam mo, habang palapit ng papalapit yung wedding, si Pauline medyo nare-realize niya, it's coming close already. Na para bang yung niya is becoming to be a reality already. So yun yung medyo very excited about siya.
How is it working with Rita Neri, who's doing your wedding?
Rita Neri is really the best. I would like to believe that she is the best wedding planner in the industry. Kasi she's strict dun sa mga dapat na strict ko siya.
Pauline was the one who, when she came to me, she was already prepared. Meron na siya mga pegs. Nireinforce ko lang na ito ba talagang gusto mo. But the look, the theme, everything was classic. When I say classic, hindi siya padish. Alam mo naman si Bossy, gusto niyan simple, no? So, Pauline, of course, also of the same feeling. So, hindi sila masyadong mag-sailing works, keep it simple. When I say that na wala masyadong backdrop, walang mga... Of course, may mga entrance arrangements, but the emphasis was really more on the table setting. Nag-specific lang sila sa pagkain. Kasi ang sabi ni Bossing, huwag mo ko bigyan ng pagkain na hindi ko masabi yung pangalan. Di ba? Which makes sense naman, no? Sabi niya, gusto ko yung kakainin natin, yung food natin is yung naiintindihan ng lahat. So, we're pretty much finished. We're ready on the home stretch. Mga details na lang inasikaso. She's very much hands-on, but I'm very happy to say she's far, far, far from being a bridezilla. In fact, she's very cool.
Pagdating naman sa bridal shower, ano bang ginawa niyo ng bridal shower?
Si Mama Shay, si Sherilyn.
Yes, Shay, oo.
She threw me a calligraphy class. Sinet up niya yung restaurant niya, which is Cafe Lima, na sobrang ganda. Talagang very dainty. Ang sarap tignan. Sabi namin, parang professional talaga yung gumawa. Nag-arrange ng mga flowers. And then, the experience is very nice kasi you learn something. Tapos at the same time, grabe yung bonding nyo. So, it was very nice.
Speaking of calligraphy, na usong-uso ngayon, gusto kong tawagan yung calligraphy expert natin na si Paula Esteron. Hi, Paula!
Hi, Paula!
Hi, Paula!
Siya din ang nagturo sa amin.
Si Paula
noon.
din ang nagturo sa inyo.
Mm-mm.
Bakit ba nauuso itong calligraphy nowadays?
Interesting kasi siya eh. Sabi nga ng ibang students ko, pang-iba rin sa routine yun eh. No, lalo na yung mga nag-work na.
Hindi, tsaka, like me, my handwriting is so bad. Like, it's the worst. Pero yung tinuro niya yung technique ng calligraphy, kaya ko naman palang magsulat ng maayos. Kaya naman. So, I think, may pag-asa lahat.
May pag-asa lahat.
Kaya-kaya lang lahat gawin.
Ito, gamitin na rin natin kasi nung araw, kaya sila may mga ganito dahil they really write books using the calligraphy. and also love letters.
Correct.
So, di ba sila ang gaganda talaga ng mga penmanship nila?
Actually, pero I want to debunk the myth na hindi prerequisite ang magandang handwriting. That's why we have special materials naman for that eh. So, we just
Kasi inaaral mo nga yung
inaaral
calligraphy.
and practice
Inaaral.
naman.
Turuan mo naman kami kung paano ba gawin ito. Ayan. At usong-uso by the way ito sa mga giveaways. You can use the itong tote bag.
Tote bag or loot bag made
Oo,
of
loot
canvas material.
You can write here, no? Straight
Yeah.
na.
So-
O sige, turuan mo na kami niyan,
So, let's
ate.
say for example, para to sa wedding souvenir. So, you have to plan out first the design that you are going to write to the loot bag.
Ay, grabe magkatabi na yung pangalan namin. Kalabi na ni Regine tsaka ni Ogie. Ang saya.
Ayan. So, for example, yan yung layout ng text for the bags. So, we have here materials like brush pens na particular lang para sa fabric. You wanna try writing your name? Kahit name mo lang, go.
Sige.
So, while you are writing your name, I'm drafting here using a pencil.
You can give this to your guests if they want to write their own names. Oo. Tapos, pwede nyo na rin gawing lagyan ng mga souvenirs. Pero alam mo ngayon, Pauline, parang napansin ko, dati yun talagang nauuso yung magpa-party kayo, tapos meron kayong entertainment ng mga male dancers. Pero ngayon, ang dami na, like nung akin, nag-spa kami. It was a day in a spa. Parang mga girls, lang kami, vegetable lang kami sa spa, yung wala lang. Tapos ikaw, ito, calligraphy naman. Hindi na, I guess, uso yung kagaya dati, ano?
Hindi,
Iba-ibang
siguro
concept.
ngayon, marami ng options.
Marami ng options, marami ng
Marami
mga
ng
concepts
pwedeng gawin.
ginagawa nila. Even yung wedding, di ba? Ang dami na.
Yes.
Ano,
Iba-ibang
ano na,
themes.
Iba-ibang themes na. Tingin, ayan, ayan sa'yo.
For the finishing touches pala, you have to iron it out, but you have to put a paper first.
Oo.
Or
Parang may
iron,
connection.
yeah.
tapos, i-iron para maging permanent yung text.
Yung,
or
yung
words na
ink na nandyan.
Galing. Thank you, Miss Paula.
Thank you, Miss Paula. Thank you very much.